Thanks for watching this episode of Outlaw Woodworking. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, like the video. This is my new shop that I'm building, and this slab is 34 by 60. We poured it 6 inches thick, and we used about 40 yards of concrete. I don't know how many trucks it was. I think 5 trucks. And the guys did a really good job. Monday we'll saw cut it. And yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.